I'm today in front of me HUAWEI, and I'll show you how to add event to the calendar on this device. So first you should just find the calendar application. Okay, I got it. Now just tap here to allow, and for example we wanna just add for the next day, for tomorrow, the some events. So tap here to the plus icon on the right down corner. You can here title the event, for example the birthday. Now if you want you can set the location, but for example I don't want to set the location here. You can just tap here to set this event to the all days. For example you can start from the January 21 and to end this event January 22. And now just tap here to OK. Here also you can just set the reminder, for example 2 days before or 1 day before on, for example on the January 21 of the 8 a.m. Also we can add here the one more reminder, or just we can delete them. Here we can just add the or switch the account to the family, to the iPhone, and for example to the all who gets the, for example the Gmail of this who use the Gmail of the HardReset.Info. Also you can add here the guests from the contacts, for example if you get some here. Also you can show here this event as a busy or as available. You can also here set the privacy, choose the private or the public event. Also you can here set the repeat, never every day. For example we'll just set the every year, so every year we'll know that someone got the birthday in January 21, and just you can just tap here, and now every year you will just get the notification about the birthday of someone. And if you want to just delete this event, here you can see all the information that we add before. You can edit the event here, you can share with this event with someone, or you can just delete by tap here and only, for example this event. Or if you got some more events in your calendar, you can delete all of them, but I want to just delete only this event, so tap here to delete. And as can you see, today and tomorrow tomorrow and after tomorrow we have no more events. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.